Okay, what I was talking about was when the hide is changed on the drum, a ceremonial drum. I was told that if the hide should break during the dance that we're having, I can always flip over the drum and use the backside and complete and finish the dance up. And when the hide breaks at some point after that happens, all the drum keepers or drum members get together and have a feast and put tobacco and offering, asking that they're able to change that hide, do it quickly and properly. And also, the hide goes out to the tobacco and the food goes out to the animal that whose hide is being used. Huh? Cow hide usually is used. Tobacco goes out to that animal and being used to replace the hide on the drum. And then the very first ceremonial drum they have, for ceremonial dance they have, the drum is hit for the first time. And it is the drum keepers, the two drum keepers who do that. And there are 4 songs that are used. They're called those welcoming or handshake songs. And as each of those songs are sung, the drum keepers sit in the northwest area of the drum. They're seated on chairs, and as each song is finished, they move up. I do that 3 times. And then on the 4th time, as that song is being sung, they are the first ones that hit the drum. And then the rest of the singers hit the drum in the order that they sit. And then the drum is used from there on out. And they've completed changing the hide. So what I was talking about is to make sure that the old pieces that are removed from the drum, that they are taken well care of, because you could take those pieces and create a new drum from that. So you wouldn't want that to happen. And like sometimes the beadwork is changed, the belt is changed on the drum at that time. You also want to have properly dispose those items so no one gets a hold of them. And from there, the drum is used whenever they so choose. Migoyo.